Hello students, today I will explain you this questions. Okay, multiply the binomials. Okay, you have to multiply as well as I have explained you. First this 2x will multiply by this bracket, then this plus 5 will multiply by this bracket. So I am writing 2x multiply by 4x minus 3, then plus 5 multiply by 4x minus 3. Now multiply 2x multiply by 4x, 2 4s are 8, and x multiply by x square. 2 multiply by minus 3 minus 6, and this x as it is, plus 5 4s are 20x and 5 3s are 15. You can observe here like term is there. This is minus 6x and this is plus 20x. So you have to solve this also. So finally we will get 8x square minus plus minus 20 minus 6 is 14. 14x and minus 15. This is your answer. Okay, same way we will multiply this also. A square multiply by a plus b square plus b multiply by a plus b square. A square multiply by a will become a cube, and a square multiply by b square will become a square b square. Again b multiply by a ab, and b multiply by b square will become b cube. Can you see any like term here? No. So this is your final answer. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. Now second is simplify. We will use the same method. First we will multiply this 2. X square multiply by x plus 5. Then minus 5 multiply by x plus 5. And this plus 25 is given in your question only. This plus 25 is your part of question. So x square multiply by x will become x cube. X square multiply by plus 5 will become 5x square. Then minus 5 multiply by x, minus 5x, and minus 5 multiply by plus 5. 5 5s are 25, and this plus 25 from your question. See, this is minus 25 and this is plus 25. Minus plus minus. So 25 minus 25 will become 0. So you can say this is reduced here only. So what is remaining now? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Can you see any like term here? No. All the three terms are unlike terms. So you cannot add also and you cannot subtract. Okay? This is your answer. Now see next question. It is little bit big question, but method is same. So first multiply this. See, a plus b multiply by c minus d. Then plus sign is there. B minus a minus b multiply by c plus d. Then plus 2 multiply by ac plus bd. So now I will multiply directly. I will not write like this. I will multiply directly. A multiply by c AC, A multiply by minus D, minus AD, B multiply by C, BC, and B multiply by minus D, minus BD. Same way I will write, multiply here also, A multiply by C, AC, and A multiply by D, AD, minus B multiply by C, minus BC, and minus B multiply by D, minus BD. Okay, and 2 multiply by AC will become plus 2 AC, and 2 multiply by BD will become 2 times BD. This is BD. Okay, so now I will arrange. What I will do? I will write all the like terms together. Means I will write first all the ACs together. This is your AC, this is your AC, and this is your AC. This all are like terms. So first I will arrange AC plus AC plus 2AC. what I have done, I have written all the ACs together. Then take AD. Can you see AD here? Here. It is AD. Okay, only 2 times AD you get. Minus AD and plus AD. Then BC. This is BC and this is minus BC. This BC and this BC I have written. Now minus BD. This is minus BD. Again here you are getting minus BD and again here you are getting plus 2BD. Okay. Now AC plus AC will become 2AC. 2AC plus 2AC will become 4AC. Minus AD and plus AD. So minus plus minus reduce. Again one positive BC and one negative BC. So this all are reduced here only. Minus minus plus minus BD and minus BD will become minus 2BD and this is plus 2BD. Again see minus 2BD and plus 2BD, plus minus minus both are same, so you can reduce. So what is remaining at last? 4AC. So this is your answer. Okay.